women, please, whatever you are doing, take it easy on men. You can see the country now. Men, they try you. Now, not just one grill. And I make her tell my wife. Anytime my wife tell me, I say, baby, you are cheating on me. I say, yes. If you follow my argument, you will lose the argument. So no need. Just agree so that for peace to reign. The way Nigeria did now, any man will know the shit. Go share whether they carry another man. It's safer for man to carry a woman. Okay? No be hard, even for Bible. Do you know the most popular man for Bible? Not even marry one woman. Abraham. In all wrong, that wrong. No be here we did David killing soldier carrying wife. Children where David bought Solomon, you not say na full village the guy carry. Go read the book where Jesus Christ of Nazareth is the husband to all widows. Widow now one person. So any man when see there they fear say maybe they won't cash am. Baba, or now you not just sabi. Get 2 phones, one day cycle, one day house. Not let anybody stress you. You know what? You know what funny thing? All these women. My guy call you now talk about Regina Daniel. Thank God say they work with your husband. Since when Regina Daniel marry your guy, no be Igwe wife that they use mama act for him. They don't ever use the woman act with the way that if he land again. The influence of the in-law, they affect director with the direct film. That's what money can do. Because you use that woman act widow, now the work of you buy the film, so me not show. Say for my in-law to be acting widow, bring the cassette. How much African magic won't give for now? Now, women, please take it easy on your husband. Madam, this one will favor you. Take it easy on your husbands. Not be say anytime when man come back, you come dey shout say useless man, good for nothing man. Not dey curse your husband like that too. Anytime you dey curse your husband, lock window. Don't let people hear him. Because for every time you call useless man, good for nothing man, you see all these girls waiting for down. Where light not they show. They like all these outside boys where they carry truck, they shout, "Anyo condemn, anyo condemn, anyo condemn." They like useless man, useless man, useless man. If they hold your Madam, if they hold this your useless husband, when they will refurbish him, you like you go enter prayer point, may he come back. He not go come. These guys that they do anything, oh, mama pray, oh. He prefer to have useless husband. But is this small girl? They find us when oh no. They like man where we say they tell us, I'll post your picture online. Husband say, no, don't do it. Let me give you all my ATM code. We will not get shame. If you post us, we post you. We don't get shame. And please, when you want to cook indomie for your husband, how do you do it? Indomie is no longer a fast food man. It's a household food. You want to cook indomie, you go and be like white handkerchief. Don't do that. If you want to cook indomie, mama, I'll tell you how to get to the cook indomie. Like these runs, guys, they will go because of indomie. They will go market green beans, onions, pepper, carrots. They never buy finish. They'll come go buy malam, so you put them for the left hand side. You, if your husband they chop, you go they sing song. What God cannot do, what God cannot. No, if your husband they chop, near them. These guys, when man they chop, they rub here. You know here. Now here sense day. Mama, they tell you how they do it now. They do as if you know the line. Take pen and paper. They rub here. These guys, they try, oh, mama, oh. Anytime pressure they country, now then they help us take them. Oh. We know what will they pay for. If they're not there, we will come house, set fire for the house we build. As you see there, so there'll be fire extinguishers. How come they like give you? Because, okay, man, not cast on now. And so all these boys, they get baby, not say they get work. 1 naira not in their hand. Any girl we see they use baby respect, boy, you never sabi anything. All this one. If you check the Instagram page now, he writes senator. And they don't know National Assembly. Fraud. And please, if you are here, you are a man, and you know say you use, you know say you you know say you dey a very erratic. You know they listen to your wife. You know they listen to your wife. Stop it. Give your wife some attention. Hello. You go outside now. You know they follow you talk. If not be say cut, not favor me, I go. Yes now, Baba, if you feel beat me, voting on my charm, I go beat you. Okay, now you the yab essence. Now so, all these guy boys, they know how person stay by table. Once you buy, now then they go so cloth for sure. Not be you buy table, you go so native. Kashmir. You go so native, for table you not buy. And please, if you are here every time a person buy table, then they call you, you say buy call person. Buy call person. May they not go buy table one day, they'll call you, you know say na EFCC, now you they go. All this one. Now this is our position appella for ourselves rep now. Say just keep saying the truth. Nigeria not like truth too. Once you talk truth, they boot you out. Or if you knock that again, I will store you this mic. You don't know say this should not enter a godly hour. Now, if you be man and you know say you sabi, you know they give your wife regard, they give woman regard. I know like I get 2 daughters, so I dey prepare men the way they behave. Now, no if not that one, no worry, I go raise my daughter as well. If their husband shit, make them beat them. This one I marry, I lucky, they no teach her how to beat me. So, listen to your wife. And women, if you want your husband to be very cool, calm, calculative, and you know, don't shout. No, they curse man. Man, no, they learn by curse. There are therapies we have mastered over the years to make a man very calm and collected. One of them is send your husband to buy condom every day. No use them, just they buy them. Now, statistics have shown over time that there is no man on earth that buys condom in a hurry. No man. Even a mad person. Once you reach pharmacy, there's this calmness. At that point, you take surveillance. No, you suddenly become so circumspective that not even a fly will enter that pharmacy without your notice. And that is the only time women, they like queue, like they don't know what they are there for. And during that process, you have to be pressing your phone so that in case there are CCTVs, may your face not the, you press phone. Forget if you have data or not, press phone. Yes, please. And now when it gets to your turn, don't make it look like you are interested in what you came for. Be selfless in your approach. Allow people behind you to make it first for the first time in your life. When they say, hello, Oga, you please come. You say, no, I'm not in a hurry, please. Hello, madam. Can you go? Who is there, please? Can you come and go? Now, when you buy condom, thank you. This condom thing will help us to do. So,
don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.